In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fight Carnis and Arcane Lineage. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on where to find Carnis and how the fight goes. So, for you to find Carnis, you will have to go over to the Transportation Steam Golem at Deeproot Canopy. When you get there, you will be able to find him leaned up against the wall. So, he is a legendary exclusive fight. He is going to drop the Vampire Ring, which is an equipment that you can use on your character. This is going to give you a healing buff when bleed stacks are applied, and also a defense buff under the same circumstances. So, when you interact with Carnis, he is going to offer you the option to battle if you are strong enough, and if you accept, you will get into a mini boss battle. He is going to have 380 HP, and the fight goes like any other. So you will get the opportunities to block, attack, item, guard, use your equipment, meditate, and so on. Now, unlike other mini-bosses, you can actually escape from Carnis, so keep that in mind. He is different from the other ones in that regard, but besides this, it is going to be the same. So you will be able to react on your turn, see what moves he does, and then play accordingly. He is going to have 380 HP by default, and sometimes he is going to heal himself. So keep all of that in mind. Just go over to the Deeproot Canopy, and near the Transportation Golem, you will be able to find them leaned up against the wall. Talk to Carnis, the Impaler mini-boss, and you will be able to defeat him to get the Vampire Ring. Like I said, the Vampire Ring is going to grant you 2 buffs, a healing buff when bleed stacks are applied, and a defense buff under the same circumstances. I hope I was able to help you on how to fight Carnis and Arcane Lineage. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.